Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to talk about something that's super important for your health and well-being. Why you should stop eliminating entire food groups from your diet. First up, nutrient deficiencies. When you cut out entire food groups, your body misses out on essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. These are crucial for keeping your energy levels up and supporting your overall health. Next, let's talk about variety. Eliminating food groups means you're eating a narrower range of foods, which makes it harder to get a balanced diet. And who doesn't love a bit of variety on their plate, right? Now here's a big one, the increased risk of chronic diseases. Some elimination diets have been linked to a higher risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and osteoporosis. This is definitely a wake-up call to reconsider those restricted plans. Your gut health could also take a hit. Eliminating certain foods can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and other problems. A happy gut means a happy you. Social and emotional challenges are another downside. Restrictive diets can be tough to stick to, leaving you feeling deprived, socially isolated, and emotionally distressed. Food is meant to be enjoyed, not to stress you out. Then there's the sustainability factor. Elimination diets are often hard to maintain in the long term, making it difficult to keep up healthy eating habits. Balance is key for a lifestyle that lasts. Focusing too much on individual foods or nutrients can also lead to an imbalance. You might neglect other important food groups, which isn't ideal for your health. Elimination diets often don't consider individual nutritional needs. Age, sex, and health status can all affect what's best for you nutritionally. It's important to tailor your diet to your unique needs. There's also the risk of developing disordered eating patterns. Restrictive diets can lead to issues like orthorexia nervosa, where you become obsessed with eating healthily. A healthy relationship with food is so important. By eliminating whole food groups, you miss out on incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet. These foods are packed with goodness that your body needs. Lastly, many elimination diets lack scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness and safety. It's always best to rely on well-researched dietary guidelines. Instead of cutting out entire food groups, focus on a balanced diet with a variety of whole foods. Include nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Be mindful of portion sizes and overall calorie intake. And don't hesitate to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember, a balanced diet is the key to optimal health and well-being. Embrace variety and inclusivity, and you'll develop a healthy relationship with food that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Until next time.